Okay, I'd like to welcome everybody to Spring Valley Sports Shop here in Valencia, Pennsylvania, just about an hour north of Pittsburgh. And we're not on the road, we're back in the woods, so you think of it like at your hunting camp. You come in and this is the building. I do gunsmithing, I sell guns, I transfer guns between people, and we do everything legally, so don't ask us to do anything illegal. This is my business. I've been here since 2007, and that's my name and what I do. And we'll take a walk in, and I'll show you what I have. Come on in. This is part of my machine shop. I got a Bridgeport mill, American made, 1968. A rotary table, indexing head. Boring gauges. I can do anything you want to do on this machine. The second machine I have is a surface grinder. This is basically for precision grinding something to make it flat and parallel. This is a magnetic base that holds it. This is the grinding wheel that cuts it. And then you move it back and forth like this, and in and out with this one, and that finishes your piece within 0.010 of an inch. And I also have a nice LeBlanc mint lathe, another American-made lathe. This one has a tracer attachment on it, so it follows a pattern on the back. So if I want to make a barrel with a specific taper in it, I put the pattern in, and I just turn the machine on, and it follows that and cuts that taper in it. It's all manual, not CNC. I also have a drill press, and I have a vise mounted on a 400-pound piece of tube, so you have a lot of inertia when you're taking guns apart. And I have a Rockwell bandsaw. I can basically saw any kind of metal. It's not a problem. I can basically make any part you need for a gun here. If it's an obsolete gun, as long as I have a pattern or a broken piece, I can reproduce it. And that's what I do. Over here is sometimes when I sit down and work on pistols and that, this is where I work. And I have all kind of reference manuals. I have all kind of inspection equipment up there, bore gauges, collimators to line scopes, calibers, micrometers, everything. And I also have all the what you need, all the equipment you need here to remove barrels from actions. If you want to replace the barrel and put a new barrel in, these are all the tools that you need, along with all different inserts. And I also have a granite surface plate. This is a solid 8-inch piece of granite. It's 24 by 48, or no, it's 36 by 48, and it's the top of it is parallel within 0.002 of an inch. So this is used as a datum plane, and if you ever want to put sights on a rifle, you just put 2 centers in each end of the bore. And then you can take a height gauge like this right here with an indicator on it. And this is your datum plane, your reference. And you can set the height and buy the right size sights just using this without guessing. You know what you're going to get. I got height gauges, microscopes that check firing pins. I have all kind of parts for all kind of guns here, replacement parts, firing pins, any kind of piece that would break. Springs, a lot of springs. I have wolf spring kits, 160 different kind of springs, coil springs. I have all reloaders here for sale. I also have over in this part of the shop, these are all replacement stocks. A lot of them are for trap shotguns. Couple old Winchester Model 12s, Model 70, and some Mossbergs here. I have right and left wads for trap shooting. Over here we have all once-fired brass that people use for reloading, all different calibers, and cleaning equipment for guns here. If anybody likes really old gun parts, I have barrels and stocks from guns from the 1800s here, single shot shotguns. You might be able to match something up if you have it. Coming down here, I have a lot of old stocks. Most of them are damaged, but they're good if you need a piece of wood to match an old stock, because they don't have walnut today like they had 100 years ago. And coming down the next aisle, over here, these are all AR-15 parts, shooting rest, knives, shooting glasses, screwdrivers, holsters, targets. This side over here is all slings, rifle scopes, binoculars, all kind of optics. I carry mostly Bushnell, Weaver, and Tasco scopes. And coming on the next aisle, what I have here is, this is all scope mounts for all different kinds of rifles. I probably have scope mounts for 90% of the rifles made. I have rings, cleaning kits, trap shooter cases for shooting trap, put your shot shells in. I also have fiber optic sights, and that's about it, some shell cases. I also have, as far as firearms, there's, I believe there's 68 firearms in this here, new and used. All my guns come with a 30-day warranty. The used guns, they all go through 100% inspection before they're sold. I test fired them. I don't want anybody hurt. So every used gun is guaranteed. And if you have a problem with it, the guarantee is I'll give you your money back or I'll fix it. It's your choice, not mine. And on the same thing on the rack here, there's probably close to 100 rifles and shotguns on here, new and used, all different makes and models. Same thing, all used guns, full 30-day warranty, and all new guns carry their own warranty. All gun prices come with the instant check included. The only thing you pay is tax. And I also do internet sales. I do hundreds of guns a year, internet sales from different places like Gun Broker, Guns America, Pimento State Army. Anybody that's on the internet selling guns, they can ship them to me. I accept them from anybody. My FFL's with over 200 dealers on the internet. And basically that's about it. That's Spring Valley Sports Shop.